Hey there, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all keeping well out there. I wanted to show you today the new Unger Black Series Kit, and what we really want to know is it all just clever marketing from Unger, or is this really a decent set of kit worth buying? As you probably may already know, I've changed over a lot of my window cleaning round recently to water-fed pole. In certain areas where I work in villages, they're just the type of windows that I still like to do the traditional way. So the last 2 or 3 weeks I've really been using this equipment in a lot of different places. I've been trying to use this equipment together. I've also been trying to use different elements of it separately as well. So I've been using the power liquid along with the squeegee and the green rubber. I've been using it with different sets of tools as well. My regular black rubber that I've got in my Ninja squeegees. Even on some leaded windows, some cloth work, I've been using it as well. Really trying to put it through its paces. So first of all, the power liquid here, this is brand new from Unger. It's got a dilution rate of 1 to 100. And there's not a lot of other information on the bottle about its capabilities, but it's meant to have good cleaning power, and it also says that it has extended foam stability. Now, some window cleaning formulas are designed to go in the water. Some window cleaning soaps are designed to go directly onto the applicator. I like to do a bit of both, really. I like to put certain solutions in the water, and I like to also use a bit of something on my applicator as well, just to encourage those suds along. So I've been adding this in the water, and I have just been putting a touch of my favorite dish soap also on the applicator. Not as much as I usually do, I would have to say. And when the tools are new, I find I have to work in that soap into the tools, especially the applicator. So first thing in the morning, and when I first started the tools, I was using a little more soap on the applicator perhaps, but as the day goes on and the soap gets into the equipment, I'm using hardly any extra soap on the applicator at all, and I'm not finding that I need it. I think that's partly because the power liquid is getting into the tools, and I have found that it's really cutting through the dirt really nicely. You can really tell, and has had really great slip on the glass. I find I'm going back to the bucket less often as well, so the suds really are lasting a long time. It's really made a difference. I think I'm getting through some work actually a bit quicker because of that. So yeah, I've really found that it's really been a good solution to have in my bucket. So the applicator as well, they say it holds 20% more water, and I was feeling a bit skeptical about that. When I've used microfiber sleeves before, I found once they get wet and you start using them, they get a bit lank and lose their spongy quality. But this, it seems to foam up the soap quite well, and it's still got a good spongy quality to it, which I really like that in a sleeve. It really helps it to soak up the water, and the way it applies it on the glass is really good then. And this one just has the one scrubby pad on the end there as well. And like I said, you know, I'm having to go back to the bucket less often because the sleeve is holding the water really well. So I've found that actually really good to work with. Now the squeegee, of course, is pretty much the same Ergotech squeegee that we're used to seeing, apart from the color change. So it is really smart. The only other thing is that it's not long ago that Unger introduced this new button which they put onto the back there, which this squeegee now features. So it's really nice and easy to change over the channel to a different channel if you want. So that's really good. What is brand new about this is the green rubber. The green rubber is absolutely fantastic. It feels really nice on the glass, feels really soft, and has got a great slip on the glass. And this is a medium rubber. They say you can use it all year round, so we'll have to see how that goes. But so far I've found that it's been really brilliant, and it's showing very little sign of wear as well. Hardly any wear, so it's really durable. and it's going to be long lasting. So I found it really fantastic. In fact, I've even put in an order for some more because I want to get this in all my other squeegees as well. And like I said, I've been using them together, I've been using them separately, I've been using them with my other tools, and the combination of these two together really works well. They complement each other so well, and it really highlights to me getting the combination right with your rubber and the soap solution that you're using together. It's emphasized to me how important it is. On their own, yep, they're really great, but combined together, I think they work absolutely fantastic. Just those little things just helps your day along that bit better. And yeah, so I find I've been just keeping that pace up through getting through my work has been just that bit easier. Some of the coloured rubbers I've used in the past have been really good, but then as time has gone on, there seems to have been inconsistencies in the production of them, or there's been a dud batch of them that's gone out and then they haven't lasted quite as long as I'd hoped they would. So I really hope that Unger don't just keep this to a limited edition, and I know that they'll keep making it to the high standard that they make their tools. So I think overall it has to be said that, you know, Unger really know what they're doing. There is an element of kind of clever marketing here. They've obviously been at it a long time and they know how to get our attention, don't they? When I spoke to Unger, they did say to me how they're just trying to take what they already do so well and just kind of push it to the next level, and how do they make improvements to what they've already done and already achieved. Well, I think they've definitely achieved it with this, the Power Liquid, the green rubber, and the applicator sleeve was really nice too. So this is a really nice set from Unger. It's really great, and I'm really looking forward to see what else they come up with in the future. So thanks for watching. I hope you find that useful. There's loads more on my channel, and I hope you enjoy looking at the playlists. There's tons more about all the services I offer on the playlist, so take care out there, and I hope to see you again soon.